Checklist for vehicle sanitization. Lockdown, social distancing, stay at home. These are some of the phrases we are dealing with on each day. No matter how busy we pretend to be, this is the only concern that is bothering us at the moment. But there are a few things that you should be aware of at this lockdown. The most important thing among them is the steps to sanitize your vehicle. There are 8 steps to do it. Step number 1. Vacuum the interior. Use a brush to scrub the surface and a handheld vacuum cleaner in an anti-clockwise direction. Step number 2. Clean the interior windows. Use a solution made of 50% alcohol and 50% distilled water and clean it with a microfiber cloth. Step number 3. Clean the exterior windows. Use a glass cleaner solution. Use a microfiber cloth. Use a razor blade at an angle of 45 degrees. Step number 4. Clean the upholstery. Use interior shampoo. Use a foam sponge. Use an absorbent cloth. Take clean water to clean the particular spot cleaning, fabric cleaning, vinyl cleaning or leather cleaning. Step number 5. Clean the inside of the doors as they easily get dirty with shoes and your elbow rest. Put a towel or cover on control panels on doors. Use cleaner solution. Use a wide brush. Use a smaller brush for control panel. Step number 6. Clean the dashboard. Use a soft microfiber cloth. Use warm water and mild soap. Step number 7. Clean the steering wheel. Use a brush for tapping on leathers. Use interior cleaner on leathers. Clean with a dry microfiber cloth. Step number 8. Clean the tires, rims and the floors. Use mild shampoo or soap. Use all-purpose cleaner. Use EZ detail brush. Use long fender brush. Use smaller brush. These 8 steps can be replaced with just one step. Best vehicle sanitization service, Germ Shield. Germ Shield is an antimicrobial transparent coating on the surface of car that gives 99.99% germ kill protection and will be effective up to 3 months. You will be able to get complete sanitization for your vehicle, be it a car or a bike, to make it virus-proof and also disinfect it from SARS and other droplet-based viruses.